shower installations can be challenging and complicated. We have the solution to make your next shower installation a breeze. ARDEX TLT Shower Systems offer a rigid foam single-source solution that comes with its own comprehensive warranty. TLT shower systems include shower bases, building panels, curbs, drain kits, and other accessories. Use the pre-waterproof patented components alongside other ARDEX products to make tiled shower installations quicker and easier. The following shows a complete shower installation using multiple components of the TLT shower systems. For complete instructions, please refer to www.ardexamericas.com. Before beginning your installation, be sure the substrate is clean, level, and load-bearing. If there are any issues with your substrate, select the proper ARDEX self-leveling, patching, or mortar solution to correct the problem. Once the substrate is properly prepared, sweep and clean any dust or debris from the substrate. The first step in the installation is hooking the ARDEX TLT drain kit into the plumbing. You will need a licensed plumber to install and prepare the rough plumbing prior to installing the drain kit components. We will show you how to hook into an existing drain flange. Start by removing the existing clamping ring from the two-piece drain installed by the plumber. Discard this ring, but be sure to keep the screws as we will use them shortly. We will now install the new adapter flange provided in the ARDEX TLT drain kit. After removing the rubber screw covers, place a bead of ARDEX TLT 700 around the flange and place into the drain. Use the screws to fasten the adapter flange onto the drain. The last step is to place your drain chamber into the bottom of your shower base, completing the first portion of the ARDEX TLT drain kit installation. Now you are ready to install the ARDEX TLT shower base. Using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch notch trowel, install the approved ARDEX mortar on the substrate and the bottom of the shower base. We are using ARDEX X5 flexible and versatile tile and stone mortar in this video. Trowel the mortar on the back of the shower base in the same direction as the mortar on your substrate. You will notice that all shower bases have a patented integrated drain assembly. This makes hooking into your drain kit a simple process. Line up the drain holes and place the shower base into the wet mortar. Press firmly with your hands to ensure a good bond, especially around the drain area. These bases are already pre-sloped, waterproofed, and designed to make tiled shower installations quicker and easier than traditional mud-based installations. They come in a variety of standard sizes and drain configurations, but can be easily cut down to size or extended using a dry pack mortar like ARDEX A38. The next step in the system is to install the ARDEX TLT building panels. The panels are easily handled, measured, and can be cut with a blade. After the panels are cut to size, you can start to place them into the shower. Be sure to protect the surface of the shower base while you are working on top of it. Begin by dry fitting the bottom building panel in place and marking the edge. Then take ARDEX TLT 700 and place a bead of the adhesive on the inside of the mark. This will adhere the building panel to the shower base. Now put the building panel in place. Your first row of screws should start within 2 inches from the bottom of the panel. Use ARDEX TLT screws and washers to fasten them 12 inches apart vertically and 16 inches apart horizontally. When installing the screws, it is best to create a slight depression in the panel to reduce adhesive buildup during waterproofing. Continue installing your panels, placing a bead of ARDEX TLT 700 at each seam and where the panel sits on the shower base. Vertical seams must be staggered. Fasten all walls with the screws and washers. If you are installing accessories like ARDEX TLT niches, cut the building panels around the niches as needed. Place a bead of ARDEX TLT 700 on the 2x4s where the lip of the niche will sit. Put the niche into place and add ARDEX TLT 700 around the 2x4s. Install the cut building panel around the niche and use the washers and screws to fasten. After your building panels are installed, you can move on to the ARDEX TLT pipe valve seals and ARDEX TLT mixing valve seals. Dry fit both components and mark the area to be covered by mortar. Trowel the mortar into this area and place your pipe valve seal into the wet mortar. Embed the seal into the mortar, removing the wrinkles with a putty knife. Repeat this same method with the ARDEX TLT mixing valve seal. Next, you can begin installing the ARDEX TLT shower curbs. Using suitable ARDEX mortar, trowel the subfloor where the curb will be placed. To ensure a solid bond, use ARDEX TLT 700 where the curb touches the shower base and building panels. Mortar the back of the curb in the same direction as the mortar on your substrate. Press into place firmly. Now that the shower curb is installed, we can begin to create a watertight seal. Start with the inside and outside corners of the curb. Install the mortar into the corners and embed the ARDEX TLT inside corner into the wet mortar. Smooth with a putty knife. On the outside corner, repeat the process with ARDEX TLT outside corner. Then, at all changes of plane, install ARDEX TLT seam tape using the same method. Be sure to overlap the corners with a 2-inch overlap. Lastly, on the building panels, use ARDEX TLT 700 to cover all seams as well as screw and washer dents with the adhesive. Flatten the excess adhesive with a spackle knife. Make sure all seams are fully covered for a watertight seal. If you prefer a liquid waterproofing method instead of banding, you can also use ARDEX 8+9 and ARDEX SK Mesh to perform this step. Finally, you need to finish installing the ARDEX TLT drain kit. Begin by screwing the drain grate height adjuster into the built-in drain assembly in the shower base. Determine your final tile height, allowing for mortar, and adjust your drain accordingly. Next, put a small bead of ARDEX TLT 700 on the adjuster and place into the drain. Adjust the drain to the final location, ensuring it is slightly proud of your tile. Insert the drain grate assembly and the drain grate to complete your installation. That is all you need to have your shower assembly ready for tile installation. The simplicity and versatility of ARDEX TLT shower systems provide you a comprehensive, all-in-one solution, making your installation faster and easier. And when used with ARDEX Tile & Stone products, everything is covered by our System 1 warranty. To learn more about ARDEX TLT shower systems, contact your friendly ARDEX sales professional or visit www.ardexamericas.com.